couldn't grow up fast enough.
Smile, sweetie.
Don't you knock?
Are you wearing a bra?
You're not ready
Dad,
for
stop.
Netflix is bringing back the beloved romantic comedy 13 Going on 30 with a brand new reboot. The film stars Emily Bader and Logan Lerman, while the original cast Jennifer Garner written as executive producer. The story is accepted to follow a fresh take on a magical coming-of-age concept with a new character and modern twist. Filming is currently underway in Los Angeles and official release date hasn't been announced yet, but it's accepted to in 2026. The movie will stream exclusively on Prime Video.